I do a lot of big truck, semi, and 18-wheeler cases. These cases can involve serious injuries and death. They can be much more complicated than other motor vehicle collisions. A lawyer handling a trucking case must be familiar with the Federal Motor Carrier safety regulations, must be familiar with the CDL or Commercial Drivers License Manual, hours of service, trip inspection reports, and other rules and regulations that are required for professional drivers. These are big cases, and trucking companies fight to minimize our clients' recoveries. They'll even try and attempt to put fault upon the clients themselves. It's not fair. Nope, it's never fair. I've handled a great many trucking cases for my clients. I know what to do, and I've done it for almost 40 years. Call me today at 1-800-747-SELF. It's 1-800-747-7353. Or go to selflaw.net.